harder to be followed. The tale that I'm on is the tough one to swallow. I'm not a criminal, not a role model, not a born leader, I'm a tough act to follow. I am not the fortune and the fame, they're the same person who tells me to forfeit the game. I give him the ring like a dog in a chain, and I found out the underbelly sicker than it seems. And it seems ugly, but it can get worse, cause of you disciplines a gift that it goes. Cause once you got a theory how the thing works, everybody wants the next thing to be just like the first. And I'm not a robot, I'm not a monkey, I will dance to everything that's funky. Opposite of lazy, far from the funky. All those talking to try to catch up, motherfucker. And all the people say, try to catch up, motherfucker. Said money changed the situation. Big said it increased the complication. Kanye said don't step that I ain't the one. Chuck said that you use it with a motherfucking tongue. And I'm just a student of the game that taught me. Walking every stage and every place that they got me. I'm off for it and they made it. Came to be regretted. And so the mistaken in the state of the fact that I am. Because the opposite of whack, opposite of weak, opposite of slack. Something of repeat, something of whack. Black, a little closer to beat. Punk, y'all lost the talk and try to get shot, motherfucker. And all the people say, try to get shot, motherfucker. Oh my fucking god! You guys are dead! I got the kick again! When they come for me, when the